US shares fell by 2.5% and hit a 2.5-month low on Friday on mounting speculation of earlier than expected US rate hikes following comments by a Fed official. Updates on lending, finance and credit and debit card debt today. At 4:15 p.m. AEST on Monday, the S&P ASX 200 index was down 119.6 points, or 2.24%, at 5,219.6 points, and the All Ordinaries was down 121.4 points, or 2.23%, at 5,319.1 points. The September share price index futures contract was down 114 points at 5,211 points, with 93,328 contracts traded. Investors dumped Australian shares after a big sell-off on Wall Street amid renewed speculation about the rate rise in a slump in oil prices. Energy, materials, consumer discretionary and financial companies were the hardest hit. A US rate rise should boost the Australian dollar, which, in turn, will put pressure on resource companies as commodities are traded in US dollars. A near 4% fall in oil prices also put pressure on the market, with Rio Tinto, BHP Billiton and Woodside Petroleum all down. Asian stocks tumbled Monday, as investors reacted to comments last week from a Fed official, who caught markets off guard by saying that interest rates could rise soon. Questions presidential candidate Hillary Clinton's health also cast a shadow after she was diagnosed with pneumonia during the weekend. Keeping score. Japan's benchmark Nikkei 225 index lost 1.7% to 16,672.92, and South Korea's Kospi slid 2% to 1,993.55. Hong Kong's Hang Seng shed 2.9% to 23,401.21, and the Shanghai Composite Index fell 2% to 3,011.64. Australia's S&P ASX 200 sank 2% to 5,219.60, while the Sensex in India dropped 4% to 28,411.39. Benchmarks in Taiwan, Thailand and New Zealand also fell. News.com. Our privacy policy includes important information about our collection, use and disclosure of your personal information, including to provide you with targeted content and advertising based on your online activities. It explains that if you do not provide us with information we have requested from you, we may not be able to provide you with the goods and services you require. It also explains how you can access or seek correction of your personal information, how you can complain about a breach of the Australian privacy principles, and how we will deal with a complaint of that nature.